Hello everyone, welcome back on this channel. Here on the screen you can see that I have a link which has been sent from a user, and this is a Word document. Okay, so let me click on this link. Just after clicking it, it has been redirected to the Chrome browser, and here the file, and here it is written that this is view only file and you cannot edit it. Okay, so let me check that whether I can edit it or not. So if I double click here and click on the backspace to remove it, it is not happening here, it is not working. Okay, just because it is in the view only mode. You can see here that I can only see and I can't do anything with it. Okay, view only, you can see that this is the pop-up. Let me press on OK. If I'll press on it, here you can see that editing and reviewing is not clickable, so just because of the restriction. So how can I fix it? So the solution is very easy. Just go to the file tab and go to the create a copy, and here you will have two options. Press on a download a copy. Just after pressing that, you will have this pop-up where it is saying that, so just simply don't do anything, just press on download a copy. It has been redirected to OneDrive. Now here I have the option of download, so I'll press on download, and you can see that the download has been started. Here one download is in progress and this has been successfully downloaded. Now let me open it. Just after opening it, it is now opening in the official official MS Word application, not on the web. And here let me check. So here it is a option of enable editing, so right now I'm pressing on it. Just after that, let me check whether I can do any changes or not here. So I'm pressing backspace on my keyboard and you can see that it is successfully working here. Basically I can do all the edits and all the changes here. Okay, so I hope that you guys would have understand that how can we change or how can we edit any view only file of the MS Word. Okay, so if you guys have any doubt or something, please let me in the comment section. Thank you so much for your time. Have a good day.